morning everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nataliya and we have today diamond painting unboxing from Metodeals.com. I have here package. I cannot remember what in here, what I ordered, I forgot. Package got a little bit beaten up, so hopefully nothing is wrong on the inside. So let's see what on the inside, information, whatever you need to know, links, maybe discount code. Just look under my video in the description box, all information will be there. Okay, so let's open and see what I have in here, because I really would love to know myself what's in here. Okay, something very brown. I still don't remember what this is. Okay, box is empty now. Let's check it out. Velvet canvases, of course, good quality canvases up there. It feels like it's not zoom out all the way. No, it is. Maybe I have to raise my camera a little bit more. I didn't expect this design be so big. Okay, let's see if this is going to be better. Aha, we have a surprise. There's one more canvas on the inside. Okay, what we have in here. So okay, it's two canvases packed into one box. I'm totally fine with that. And look at this, perfect condition, nothing damaged, fit everything good, not like last time we did with you from different store. All right, so this one will be for the big. Okay, now I remember what this is. So round diamonds, and here round diamonds as well. Looks like I went after same kind of theme, kind of similarity. So let's start with the smaller design. And yeah, toolkit. So we have smaller size of the tray, I would say medium size, wax, tweezers, and one placer and three placer pen. So all the tools will be the same, so I'm going to put them aside. We don't need them right now. And let's check it out, the small design. Are you ready? Where is the top? Where is the bottom? Oh, this way. There. Wow, she's beautiful from far away on camera. Oh, this way. That's a good size panel that you can finish, like, you know, day or two, maybe three. It says 30 by 45 centimeters, but this will be like the whole length of the canvas together with the edges. Wow, it's a native Indian girl. That's so pretty. She is so gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. Very beautiful design. Love those feathers in her hair. Feathers for her decorative pieces, some kind of necklace, beautiful clothes, probably stitched with beads, and the background kind of fiery, very dramatic looking and very pretty. So what we have in here, 35 colors. Okay, so this one with the fairy dust diamonds, 3 colors should be 35 colors for whole canvas. Round diamonds, you can choose your square, round with AB diamonds or fairy dust. There's the crystal clear, I think. Oh, what else up there? There's so many to choose from. Also up there I have collection of my design, just a few. I didn't do too many. I should maybe. And here, just let's look at the actual picture in here. Look at the little symbol as how do you call it? Not dolphin, a whale. Yeah. Okay. Where is this AB diamond? So we have in here 35 colors, so my AB diamonds will be last 3 numbers. 33, 34, 35. And they are all placed in here not in numerical order. So it will take me time to find it probably. Let's just put them on a table and see. Okay. And of course I have to put them numbers inside that upside down. Okay. So we need to look for the big numbers. Big numbers, big numbers. Oh, 35. Now, few more. Which one, which one, which one? No, oh, yeah, that's a 35. 33. And there's one more color, should be something, if I can find it. Oh, 34. Okay, so this three colors. Oh, okay, at least I like it that all three colors is very different, because sometimes they put like a same shading, same palette color. This one is very different. So here it is, we have fairy dust diamonds. Sometimes I can mistake and say AB diamonds, so please forgive me if I did that, I don't remember. It's a fairy dust diamonds. On a red color, you kind of see the more of this glittery tapping. Can we see on this one? I think so. The yellow, yeah, so that's a 3 specialty. And then the rest of obviously kind of not screaming colors. Few of the brighter one, but the rest of are just a nice, calm, earthy color. I like to call them earthy, like, you know, earth. Okay. Turquoise. That's pretty. Okay, so that is beautiful. One of the smaller one designs. So it's going to be very quick project to do. And look at the perfect quality, like no wrinkle, no nothing. Very nicely packed this time. Awesome, I like that. Now what's that big design? Let's see the big design, because it is very beautiful. Let's not to mix the diamonds, that's the important thing, because the diamonds also round. Okay, let me show you picture in here first. And I want to see if this is AB or what is going to be in here. This one also fairy dust, only 3 colors. And we have a 45 colors in here. Size 50 by 80 centimeters. And I decided to get something like, you know, it's a year of horse. And this horse is on fire. That's what's supposed to be, fiery horse as a horoscope for this year. And this lady is so amazing. Click on the link and look at this picture on our website. So pretty. Lots of brown colors. Hopefully easy canvas to see. If not, I have a light pad and it should be no problem. Okay, one green diamond came out, probably from the other designs. Oh, hold on. I'm going to just place this one loose diamond in here so it doesn't go crisscross with the other ones. All right, so let me show you picture. There you go. Very dark brown shades in here, and obviously look at all the colors in here in this bag. There is some bright colors in here too, yellow and red, which probably will go for the horse fire in here. Bright color, but the rest of it's like, you know, it's a there's another like a orange and brighter colors for the fire. Whatever the special diamonds, it's gonna be a hard time to find. I don't really want to. Okay, Okay, what do I need to look? 43, 44, 45. Okay, 45. I found one. I wish they would put them in numerical order. That would help. But now I have to search for them. And I really don't want to do that. Okay, kind of hard to spot them right away. So here's the one of them, the special diamonds. It's a brown, a fairy dust diamonds. And the rest of, well, something yellow, looks like on the picture, but maybe this one. No, it's not. Okay, this one I can see there. Here it is, bright yellow. And the other one is also brown. No, it's actually 310. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna go after dark bag. That way I can find it probably quicker. No. Hold on. We will find it. Can we? Oh, here it is. Always made me to find it quicker. I just look at what kind of color next to the symbol. So 310 in AB. Oh, sorry, not AB, in fairy dust. Black color. And then we have a black color in, oh no, we don't have a regular 310 in here, just the AB. Okay, not AB, sorry, fairy dust. I don't know why I always want to say AB. So yes, lots of brown shades in here, that's for sure. Now I have to show you somehow correct way. So let's turn. It's not much, kind of. Okay, maybe I will stay on the side to kind of show you. She has a fancy boots. She's a warrior, sand. It's like a dunes, whatever she is. And I love the horse in here. He or she horse is on fire. Dramatic sky. And the lady, she remind me of one of those movies used to watch. Hannah, I think her name was in the movie, or what was her movie? Like a superhero. Beautiful outfit she has. Very sexy. Very nice. Look at this fire. So this would be like perfect to do for the year of horse, right? Fire horse. Very beautiful design. And of course, velvet, beautiful canvas. So that's it, my friends. That's a short video, but you know what? It's a beautiful designs. And this one is a big one. 50 by 80 will take time to do, but this little tiny one will be quick fix of this one. Tell me which one design was your favorite. That is beautiful. I really love this one. So tell me what you think, and maybe one day we're going to work on one. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.